image is formed at infinity. Object is placed at a distance larger than the focal length of the objective. Then the first ray from the object incident on the objective lens is parallel to the principal axis and hence passing through the focus. The second ray passing through the optic center, hence undeviated. Since these two rays are converging in nature, a real inverted and magnified image is formed on the other side of the lens. The separation between two lenses is so adjusted that the image lies at the focus of the eyepiece. This image acts as an object for the eyepiece, which acts like a simple microscope. Then first ray from this object incident on the eyepiece lens is parallel to the principal axis and hence passing through the focus. The second ray passing through the optic center of the lens and hence undeviated. Since these two rays are parallel, extend the refracted rays backwards. Since these two virtual rays are parallel and virtual erect and a magnified image is formed at infinity. Then the angle subtended by the image at infinity at the eye is beta. And angle subtended by the object at least distance of distinct vision at the eye is alpha. Then magnifying power is the ratio of angle subtended by the image at the infinity at the eye to the angle subtended by the object at least distance of distinct vision at eye. That is magnification m equals beta divided by alpha. At small angle it is tan beta divided by tan alpha, which is h dash by fe whole divided by h by d equals h dash by h into d by fe. But h dash by h equals vo divided by uo. Hence m equals vo divided by uo into d by fe. When the actual object approaches the focus of objective, then its image approaches to eyepiece lens. So uo approximately equals minus fo. Then vo approximately equals distance between the lenses L. So m equals L divided by minus fo into d by fe. Or m equals minus L divided by fo into d by fe.